The Belgian province of Liege was hit hard by heavy rains today on 14th of July. In some places, up to 100 liters of rain per square meter fell. The municipality was particularly affected. The streets of the city are like a river, cellars are flooded, cars are floating, and there is no electricity in some places. The residents here are looking at their houses, which are half flooded. Sandbags are still being placed, but for many of them it is too late. People are also being evacuated because it is not safe to walk on these flooded streets. Reports the journalist TN2. The Royal Meteorological Institute has announced a red code for the province and the disaster plan is now also in effect. There is no information about the damage caused and the victims yet.